And then another interesting 1960s, kind of affordable, and they're starting to get pricey, is the AMC 1968 AMC AMX. It's black over black. And I'm telling you, black is a great color for an AMX. I don't think I've seen many of them in black.
No.
But that one really stands out. It's got the 290 cubic inch V8, 39,000 actual miles, long-term ownership, and a Borg-Warner T10 manual. Blast to drive, little pocket rockets. They were overlooked back then. I didn't know much about them when I was started getting into cars. And, I followed the path of Trans Ams and Camaros and that kind of thing. And I think if I'd have known about the AMXs or had any inkling of what they were, I think I would have paid more attention.
Yeah.
I wish I had too. I said we had a dealer in the next big city near me, and you just didn't pay attention.
No, they were just another car. So